The Bharatiya Janata Party, it seems, has submitted a notice in the Rajya Sabha for the suspension of the question hour. The BJP has asked for a discussion on corruption inside the house. So it seems that the Anna flavor has in fact come here in the parliament as well. Navika Kumar, our political editor, joins us with all the latest. Navika, it seems the Bharatiya Janata Party has made one thing very clear, that inside the house it is going to corner the government over the Anna Hazare issue, where they've asked for the suspension of question hour.
That's right. In fact, with the crowds taking through the streets on the issue of corruption, fighting the government, putting the government in a spot, the BJP has decided that it will raise the corruption issue in Parliament. In fact, it was something that Times Now had broken last night. We had said that after the NDA meeting, a decision had been taken that the BJP will give in an adjournment motion and seek a discussion under Rule 193, which does not entail voting in both houses of Parliament. And if the government or the speaker does not allow a discussion, then clearly we can expect some rowdy scenes in Parliament, and Parliament unlikely to function over the issue of corruption. So the BJP is doing just that this morning after another round of meeting with the NDA, reiterating their points. They are demanding a discussion on the floor of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, asking for a discussion on corruption under Rule 190 and also asking for the suspension of question hour. So at 11 o'clock we'll have to wait and watch whether the House really functions, because it was a decision taken at the NDA meeting last night that the BJP will corner the government on this issue.
Now, Navika, it seems that the BJP in that NDA meeting has decided what it wants to do, but then any word coming in from the Treasury benches, from the ruling coalition, what do they have to say? Would they agree? What can we expect at 11?
Well, for the moment, of course, since there has been no precursor to this and it was not decided in last week's Business Advisory Committee meetings that there would be a discussion on Tuesday on corruption, so it's unlikely that the Treasury benches will give in to this demand almost immediately. But what we do know, Sanket, is the fact that the government has called for an all-party meeting at 3:30 p.m. tomorrow, and it is at this meeting that the government hopes to get some sort of support from the opposition parties to break the logjam with Anna Hazare. But the opposition parties at this stage say that they were not part of the drafting committee. The government had invited Anna Hazare and Anna's team for the drafting committee. The opposition had been kept out at that time. Why should the government seek the opposition help to break the logjam now? That's the position. The all-party meeting at 3:30 tomorrow. We still have another 36 hours till that really happens. In the meanwhile, Anna Hazare's health really causing concern in several circles. So clearly, whatever the government seems to be doing, it seems to be too little, too slow, and people are looking for a solution to this logjam almost at the earliest, but that doesn't seem to be happening.